Big old crop duster.
Is that what that was?
I'm pretty sure. That's sad too because we just had a crop duster, a helicopter accident here in town, and the gentleman died. And if you go back to my videos, probably I want to say 3, maybe 4 years ago, I'm at work and I've got him on video. He was a great guy and a great helicopter pilot. He just had a malfunction. It's terrible news, but yeah, we'll see what that was. I'm pretty sure it was a sprayer. More squirrel damage here. They keep pulling this down. My phone line, which they just put up last year, tight after my neighbor issues. But all right, truth, peace, freedom, love to all.